Hello students, welcome to my channel. Let's do it. I am Shruti. Let's start another topic of the series from zero to hero. Today's topic is basic calculations, in that shifting of decimal points and solving fractions. Let us understand shifting of decimal points through an example. Let us take an example 20.15. Here in this 20.15, after decimal point, let us take it as right side, and here let us take it as left. Suppose if you want to shift a decimal point to the right side, then you have to multiply the number by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Suppose if you want to shift a decimal point to the left side, then you have to divide it by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Divide the number by 10, 100, 1000, etc. So let us take an example. See here, I have taken 20.15. Okay. Now I want to shift this decimal point to the right side. Right side means after 1. Okay. I want to shift this decimal point to the right side here after 1. This means what I have to do? It means I have to multiply. That is 20.15. Okay. Where I am going to shift this? After 10. That is to the right side. By how many digits? By only one digit. That is after 1 means it is only one digit. Okay. So one digit means I have to multiply by 10. Suppose if you want to shift a decimal point after 2 digits, that is after 1 and 5, then you have to multiply it by 100. Here I want to shift this decimal point by only one digit, that is after 1, means I will multiply by 10. So after multiply by 10, this will be what? I am shifting this decimal point to right side by one digit, means after 1 the decimal point comes. Okay, that is 201.5. Okay, in this example what I have done, I want to shift this decimal point after 1. After 1 means after one digit. One digit means I have to multiply it by 10. Suppose if you want to shift after 2 digits, means you have to multiply by 100. 3 digits means you have to multiply it by 1000. 4 digits means you have to multiply it by 10,000. Okay. So here I am shifting by only one digit, means after 1. Therefore I am going to multiply by 10. Therefore I have multiplied by 10. So the answer will be 201.5. What happens if I shift the number to the left side? So now I am going to shift this decimal point to the left side, that is in between 2 and 0. That is I am going to shift by one digit. One digit means here left side means what I have to do? I have to divide it by 10, 100 or 1000. So I am shifting to the left side, means I have to divide the number. That is 20.15 divided by 10. Left side means I have to divide. Okay. Divide by what? 10. So this will be what? 2.015. Okay. Let us take another example, that is 2.751. Okay. I want to shift this decimal point to the right side. Right side means what? I have to multiply. By how many digits? By how many digits I want to? I want to shift this decimal point between 5 and 1. Okay, between 5 and 1 means how many digits I am shifting? 1 and 2. That is 2 digits. I am shifting by 2 digits. So 2 digits means I have to multiply it by what? 100. 1 digit means I have to multiply it by 10. 2 digits means I have to multiply it by 100. 3 digits means I have to multiply it by 1000. I am going to shift this decimal point by 2 digits, that is in between 5 and 1. It means that is right side. It means I have to multiply it by what? 100. That is 2.751 multiplied by 100 is equal to what? 275. 2 digits means decimal point will be between 5 and 1 because I am multiplying by 100. That is 275.1. I am shifting this decimal point to the left side. Left side means what I have to do? I have to divide. Okay, I have to divide. Here I am shifting the decimal point by 1 digit. 1 digit means it will be here. Okay, beside there is nothing. Nothing means there will be 0. Okay, shifting this decimal point to the left side means I have to divide. Okay, shifting by how many digits? Only 1 digit means I have to divide by 10. That is 2.751 divided by 10. Divided by 10 means the decimal point will come here. That is 0.2751. Here nothing is there means what? There will be 0. So the answer is what? 0.2751. Like this, we will shift the number to the right side and to the left side. Okay. Let us take another example. So here I have taken 5.5 divided by 3.75. How it is solved? So before going to solve this, we have to simplify this. How we are going to simplify this? By shifting the decimal point. Okay. So see here, in the denominator we have 3.75. In the numerator we have 5.5. Okay. So here after decimal point we have only 1 digit in the numerator. In the denominator what we have after decimal point? We have 2 digits. Okay. So to convert this to a simplest form, so we will take the maximum digit after the decimal point. In the denominator we have 3.75. Okay. In the numerator we have 5.5. We will solve decimal point, the number which has the maximum digit, we will solve that first. Okay. So here after decimal point the maximum digit is in denominator, that is 75. We will solve this first. Okay. That is 3.75. I am shifting to the right side. Means what I have to do? I have to multiply. How many digits I am shifting? By 2 digits I am shifting. 2 digits means I have to multiply it by 100. Okay. That is 3.75 multiplied by 100. Okay. In the denominator we have multiplied by 100 means in the numerator also we have to multiply it by 100 because this is a calculation. So we have to balance the numerator and denominator. So here also we have to multiply it by what? 100. That is 5.5 multiplied by 100. Why we have multiplied 100 to the numerator? Because in order to balance the equation, in order to balance the calculation, we have multiplied by 100 to the numerator also. Okay. So after multiplying this, in the numerator what we are going to get, that is by 100 means I have shifted 2 digits, means the decimal point comes after 5, that is 375. Okay. Next here 100 means what? 10 into 10. So suppose if I multiply by 10, this will be what? This will be shifted by 1 digit, means 55. Remaining is what? 10. So 55 multiplied by 10 is what? 550. Now you can divide and write the answer. Isn't it simple? Okay. Let us try another example. How to solve this one? That is 2.75 divided by 3.325. So what I have said before in this example, in the previous example, we have to choose a number after decimal point which has the maximum digits. In this example, the numerator after decimal point we have 2 digits. In the denominator after decimal point we have 3 digits. Means we will solve first this one which has more digits after decimal point. So we will solve denominator first, that is 3.325. I want to shift this here, means right side. Right side means I have to multiply. By how many digits? I have shifted 1, 2, 3. 3 digits means what? I have to multiply it by what? 1000. Digit means I have to multiply it by 10. 2 digits means I have to multiply it by 100. Here I have shifted 3 digits, means I have to multiply it by 1000, that is 3.325 multiplied by what? 1000. In the numerator what we have? 2.75. So here also we have to multiply it by 1000 only, because in order to balance the calculation, here also we have to multiply it by 1000, which is equal to, what is 3.325 multiplied by 1000? We have shifted by 3 digits, means decimal point comes after 5, that is 3325. Here 1000 means what? 100 multiplied by 10 means 1000. So suppose if I multiply or shifted by 2 digits, means we have to multiply it by 100. This will be what? 275. Remaining is what? 10. It means this will be 2750 divided by 3325. Now you can divide this number easily. Okay. Let us take another example. So here we have 7.5 divided by 3.5. To simplify this, what I am going to do? Shift it by 1 digit. Here also shift by 1 digit, because after decimal point we have only 1 digit. 1 digit means, that is right side means we have to multiply. By how many digits we have shifted? Only 1 digit, means we have to multiply by 10. That is 7.5 into 10 divided by 3.5 into 10, which is equal to what? 75 divided by 35. Now we can divide this easily. Okay. Let us take another example. See here we have 3.75 divide by 10. Divide by 10 means the decimal point will go to the left side. 10 means only 1 digit. So the decimal point will come here, that is 0.375. Point means here nothing is there, means there is 0, that is 0.375. Let us take another example. We have 4.25. Divide by 100. Divided by 100 means we have to go to left side. Left side means one digit means we have to divide by 10. Two digits means we have to divide by 100. So here we have to shift this decimal point by 2 digits because we have 100. 100 means we have to shift by 2 digits. 2 digits means here before 4 there is nothing. Nothing means we have to take 0. 0 and then 4, 2, 5. So here 100 means we have to go to left side. By how many digits? 2 digits. So here 1 and 2. Decimal point will be here. Nothing is there means we have to take what? 0. Next. Here it is divided by 1000. 1000 means 2.12 divided by 1000. It is what? Divided by. Divided by means we have to go to left side. Left side by how many digits? 1000. 1000 means 3 digits. That is 3 digits means here this is 1 digit. If I take 0, this is another digit. If I take another 0, this will be 3 digits. So 00. 00, 00, 2. Remaining write down as it is 1, 2. 3 digits means 1, 2, 3. Decimal point will come here. Nothing is there means what? We have to write 0. Okay. I hope you understood shifting of decimal points. Okay. Now let us see solving of fractions. So let us take an example. 2 divided by 5 plus 7 divided by 6. Here some of the students what they do, they simply take divide 2 ones are 2 threes are. But it is wrong because here we have plus sign. Cannot divide it by 2 ones are 2 threes are because it is a what? In between we have plus sign. To solve this type of calculation, what we have to do? We have to take first LCM of the denominator. So what is denominator? We have 5 and 6. What is the LCM? 5 ones are 6 is as it is. Okay. Next 6 ones are 1 is as it is. So what will be the LCM? 5 into 6. What is 5 into 6? It is 30. So what is the LCM? LCM is 30. And here what we have? 5 6 are 30. No, that's why we have to write here 6. And here 6 5s are what? 30. Therefore we have to write here 5. So 2 into 6 is 12 plus sign as it is. 7 into 5 it is what? 35. Now 12 plus 35 is what? 47 divided by 30. This is how we are going to solve. What we have to do first? We have to take the LCM of the denominator. Okay. And then after taking the LCM, we have to write like this and we have to multiply by. After taking the LCM, we have to solve like this. Okay. Then you will get the answer. Let us take another example. Here we have 5 divided by 7 plus 6 divided by 7. Here also we can take LCM. That is 7. That is LCM of denominator 7, 7. So 7 ones are 7 ones are. So the LCM will be 7. So what is this? 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. So 5 ones are 5 plus 6 ones are 6. This will be what? 5 plus 6 is 11 divided by 7. Okay. Here also what we have to do? We have to take the LCM of the denominator. Then we have to solve like this. Or else, if the denominator is same, the LCM will be the same number. Therefore, what we can do directly? We can write 7 and write down what is there in the numerator with the sign, whether it is a plus or minus, whichever the sign is, we have to write that. Okay. So if same number is there in the denominator, then we will write the number directly and then we will add numerator. If there is a addition, then we have to add. If there is subtraction, then we will subtract. Okay. Let us take another example. So here we have 3 and 2. What is the LCM of 3, 2? 3 ones are 2 is as it is. 2 ones are 1 is as it is. That is 3 into 2 is what? 6. So the LCM is 6. So 3 2s are 6. Write down 3 2. And 2 3s are what? 6. So we have to multiply the numerator by 3. So 23 into 2 is what? 46. The sign is minus. Write down minus. 3 3s are 9. So what is 46 minus 9? 37 divided by 6. Let us take another example. 10 divided by 8 minus 11 divided by 2. What we have to do? We have to take the LCM of denominator, that is 8, 2. What is the LCM? 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 1 as it is. 2 1s are 1 as it is. That is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the LCM is what? 8. The LCM of denominator is 8. So 8 ones are 8. Therefore, we have to multiply by 1 to the numerator. Okay. Next, 2 4s are 8. Therefore, we have to multiply numerator by 4. 10 ones are 10. Sign as it is, minus. 11 4s are 44. So 10 minus 44 is what? Minus 34 divided by 8, because bigger number is 44. Therefore, we have to take the sign of biggest number. Here biggest number is 44. Okay, that is minus. Let us take another example. Here we have 13 divided by 50 into 5 divided by 3. Here we have multiplication sign. So if multiplication sign is there, means we can divide this. Divide by what? 5 ones are 5 tens are. Can we divide again? No. So what is remaining? 13 into 1 is 13. 10 into 3 is what? 30. Okay. Let us take another example. So here we have 30 divided by 2 into 6 divided by 5. Here multiplication sign is there, means we can divide. Okay. What we can do here? 2 ones are 2 3s are. Here 5 ones are 5 6 are. So further can we divide? No. So remaining is 6 into 3. 6 into 3 divided by 1 into 1, that is 6 divided by 1, that is 6. Okay. So here we have 2 divided by 5 divided by 12 upon 55. So here which sign is there? Division. Division means what we have to do? We have to write the first term as it is, that is 2 divided by 5. Next, here division sign is there means it will change to multiplication and the second term will be reciprocal, that is 55 divided by 12. Okay, here divide sign is there means what? First we have to write the first term as it is, then we have to write multiplication. This will reverse, 55 will go to the numerator and 12 will come to the denominator. Okay, this will be what? 55 divided by 12. 5 ones are 5 11s are 2 ones are 2 6 are, that is 1 into 11 is 11, 6 in 1 into 6 is 6. Here 25 divided by 5 divided by 50 divided by 5. Here division sign is there means what we have to do? We have to write the first term as it is. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to write the multiplication sign and this will reverse, means 5 will come to the numerator and 50 will come to the denominator, that is reciprocal, that is 5 divided by 50. Now can we solve? Yeah, 5 get cancels, 25 ones are 25 twos are, so 1 into 1 is 1. Here 1 into 2 is 2. I hope you understood how to shift the decimal points and how to solve fractions. Thank you.